Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Photoshop tutorial. Have you ever noticed that if we've got a selection we get these blue borders appearing around the active selection, and they also appear when we're going from layer to layer? These used to drive me crazy. Well, if it's something that annoys you, I'm going to show you a very easy way how we can disable these. And the way that we do that is we go to this cog icon and we need to disable the top one and the bottom one. And with those two disabled, we no longer get this annoying blue border that appears around the selection. So we can move the selection around now and we're no longer faced with that annoying blue border. So that was an extremely quick tip, which is for Adobe Photoshop and removing what I call the annoying blue borders around selections. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye for now.